Yo, what is going, buddy? Welcome back to another vlog on my channel. I know it's been quite a while, maybe over a year, but we are finally back, and we're going to have probably the biggest trip of my life, to be honest. We're going to Europe, the actual Europe this time, not like, oh, I crossed to Europe in Istanbul. Like, no, we're not doing that anymore. According to Google Maps, we have officially made it to the European side of Istanbul, which means we have officially unlocked Europe. We're actually going to Europe, and yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this journey. We're gonna make quite a few vlogs for the next few months, and I know that the video and the audio quality is not gonna be great. Maybe sometimes you're not gonna even see what I'm trying to show you, but rest assured that this I'm not trying to get big here. I'm just making this so that I can watch in the future. Maybe I can reflect on it, and if you guys want to accompany me on this journey, then feel free. And yeah, let's start our journey to Europe.
Oh, hello. I completely forgot to record the first part of my trip. It just feels like too big of a thing for me. I felt really emotional leaving my base of operations for such a long time, and now like I'm just on my own, like just going somewhere and living there for like the next few months. Like it just feels surreal. Now I'm going to head over to my hotel, and hopefully it's gonna be pretty good. I sure hope this room is okay. I mean, I paid quite a price because it's the capital and all that, but hopefully it's all right. 4, 6, 7 is this one. So hopefully, not going into some dump here. That'd be terrible. Let's open this. All right, let's see what it has to offer. Okay, wait, yo. Okay. Wow, I mean, I couldn't ask for more. This is all I need. Okay, I just need to put this here. There we go. Nice little mirror going on over here, so that's pretty good as well. Okay, we're golden. So this room is, I mean, there's really not much here. All you have is 2 beds, which is pretty surprising because I asked for like a 1-person room, but here we are. Over here we obviously have some really decent lights and all this stuff. It's not like anything big or anything. We do have a closet as well. Everything is nice, and in here we have, I mean, this looks a little bit run down, but we can make do with it. I mean, this is enough for me. So now I'm gonna tell you guys my plan of actions for this trip, and hopefully I don't have to do it again in VO. Okay, I'm back from the store. Most of the things that I could find that are like actually decent, they were like way out of my budget, so I decided just not to get them. And here's what we're gonna have for dinner. I mean, this is really what we have to deal with when we're traveling. Like you're just not going to eat well. So we have some chips. I like this one, and we've got some water. We've got what else do we have here? We have some ayran. I really like this drink. It's cheap and whatnot. And we have some extra cookies. I also have some more cookies in my backpack. So that's really what we're gonna have for this dinner. Yeah, I didn't think that it was a terribly eventful day, but we're gonna take an early rest because we do need to wake up pretty early tomorrow to prepare for our flight, and we'll see what happens then. So folks, with that, I bid to you good night, and I'm gonna find the switch here, and good day. Morning, welcome to the big day. This is gonna be the day of my flight, and I am scared but also really excited. So Obviously, that's something we're gonna do later because for now we're going to have some breakfast and hopefully it is as good as they promised. So let's go. Kawatu up. The meal was alright. It was pretty good for a hotel of my caliber. I mean, that's what you're going to be able to afford. I mean, it's not a lot of food, and eating the same thing over and over, it's definitely gonna give me a stomach ache during my travels. And I'm not going to take that risk. I would rather be hungry and not get a stomach ache for that matter. So. With that, we're gonna start packing and we're gonna head over to the airport. So let's do it. I can't even pull them. Asked the receptionist on how I could get to the airport, and they weren't very helpful. They all told me I have to take at least 2 transfers, which is just not true. There is a direct bus from the train station to the airport, and I'm going to take that instead of doing whatever the hell they just told me. Okay, so we made it to the airport. Now, I can't really send my stuff just yet because look at that line. It's not great, so we're gonna wait here for a while before we actually do our stuff. So I'm gonna find somewhere to sit and I'll let you guys know when we've passed security and stuff. So I'm through security and passport control, so now I'm just waiting for the gate of my flight to show up and then I'm gonna walk over there. So it was pretty anticlimactic. There's really not much going on, so I guess I'm gonna see you guys when I get on the flights.
Okay, so for the next part of the video, there's probably not going to be as many commentaries because I met a guy from my university. He's also going on the same flight and we kind of bonded, and that kind of ruined the part where I need to commentate. So I guess you guys can enjoy some scenery clips before we get back to whatever the hell we're doing.
Next stop, Poland. Okay, I've made it out of the airport. It was really stressful. I was so stupid I didn't see my own suitcase, so I thought it was lost, but here we are. We're good. So yeah, now let's find our way to the train station, and hopefully it's not too hard.
Okay, so here's the part where the guy from my university got back on my tail and we reunited at the train station. So obviously it's not like he's a bad person or anything, but that my video, man. So there wasn't a lot of commentary here either, and I just got on my train an hour later and I left. So yeah, once I take my seat, I took a glance outside the window and oh my god, it is the European countryside. It is in front of me. I've never seen this before in my life and it is so freaking beautiful. So I just looked outside for the rest of the journey and that's all I did before we reach our final destination.
We are out. We finally reached our city, and now I'm just gonna find like some bus to take me back to where I live. Really quiet neighborhood. It kind of gives me the chills, but I've been in more creepy places, so this is fine by me. I'm completely famished, so I do need to get something to eat the moment I get inside, so bear with me. Let's see how our room conspires. It's not bad, this. Just need to find it. Where's the lights? Yes, there it is. Okay. This is good. Okay, I like this. So here we have a kettle. So this is really good because I'm not going to be short of water anytime soon as long as this thing works. Down here we also have a fridge, which let's see if it's cold. It is cold, so we can definitely keep some stuff here as well. And what about you? Are you freezing? There's ice in here, so it's probably freezing. So that is also very, very nice. I just need to figure out what I want to do for this evening, and then we'll figure out what to do in the morning. So you guys can see that now we are pretty much fully furnished. Like we've got all of our essential bottles and useful stuff, shoes down there. I'm not the tidiest person, so I just tossed like my bags up there, which I hope you guys don't mind. And over here we have just another essential stuff, and up here we have some things on our shelves. It was pretty vacant when we first came, but now it has food and it has other useful stuff as well, so that's pretty good. And we also have a few kinds of food in here as well. I don't know if you guys are into this, but down there we also have vegetables, so don't worry, I eat few vegetables, but I do eat vegetables, okay? And we also have some more stuff inside of the freezer, so that's pretty good. And yeah, so over here we have a pretty nice view of outside, so you guys can see there. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I just there's really not much going on in my room still, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I am settled and I'm ready to rock and roll. We're gonna go see places, do stuff, and it's gonna be exciting. So folks, without further ado, let's explore this city. Today is like my first free day here, and if I don't go today, I might not be able to go later because tomorrow's school. So yeah, we're just gonna go even though it's really cold. I'm not sure if this is the right side of this building, castle. Let's go up this alley. Maybe it'll lead me to the entrance. I know it's closed today because it's a Sunday, but I don't think I want to gain admission to this building anyway. So I'm just gonna try and get a good shot of this, and I'm gonna move on to the next building. Oh yeah, this is a good shot. Okay, there's the Polish emblem and this building over here. I hope that myself and VO is going to be able to give you guys a better insight of whatever this is, okay? So the city graciously made us some sort of map where we can walk this entire touristy area within an hour. So that is pretty interesting, and we're gonna follow that path because I don't live here. I don't know what else to do. So yeah, let's get a move on. We're walking on a villa in Chestnut Alley, some sort of that, and we do see a bunch of buildings here that looks like villas. So I suppose it's not wrong about that, but I don't know. Okay, well, I guess the color is also pretty chestnut, so they're right on that as well. Not sure if the statue is part of the walking tour, but it's here, so we're gonna give it a closer look. Let's see if we can devise what this is all about. See what's the text down there. Doesn't seem to mean anything to me, so I'm sorry, I'm just a stupid tourist. We are heading over something called a multimedia fountain, but I don't know where it is. I'm going the right direction. I mean, like, there's a bunch of tourists in the distance, so I would imagine that I'm going in the right direction, but where is this place? The dimensions of the tourist map is just all over the place. Like you see, okay, those people are to here where that car is. Like, it's like this on the map, which just doesn't make any sense. I do see the tourists over there, so it means I'm going in the right direction. But I do need to go down to see the multimedia fountain, which is supposedly down here. And apparently, it is not currently functional. I mean, why would you be functional in this weather anyway? I get it. It's there. It's the fountain. It doesn't look that great, but maybe we'll have another opportunity to visit this place later in the future. So yeah, the Lubomirski summer residence, which according to Google Maps I could not gain admission to today, but the gate is open and there's people inside, so I don't know how accurate this is all about. So if I continue to walk down here, I should be able to find something called a Kino Zorza, which is probably a German word of cinema. Obviously, we also have to give some credit to the road we are walking on, which is the Tri Maya Street. It apparently is the most famous street in this city, and yeah, I think it's really beautiful. I don't know what else to say. I don't know about the romance part. I don't know why that would be the case, but it looks nice anyway. Okay, we finally reached the market square, probably the old town square of the city, and it looks absolutely amazing. It looks a bit deserted because it's probably a Sunday, so we're not seeing much here, but this is definitely really nice.
So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button down below, because I'm making more videos pretty soon. I already have one in the works. I don't know how good that's gonna be, but we shall see. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna say goodbye, and yeah, have a nice day. Peace.